Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Yep. Yeah, very similar. I take it this is the entrance up here. Yeah, I see it, but I'm up north of it. Just a little ways, just north of that waterway. Yeah, I'm on the other side of the waterway from you, from the cart. Yeah, the beans are cut. Oh, maybe I'm not, yeah, but I'm on the west side of the road. Yep, yep. Yeah, the combine just went west, towards the north side. Yeah, because cow farm, normally we're up on the corner. Well, yeah, okay. Just making sure I'm in the right place. Yep. Yep, okay. Here's Josiah. Here's Josiah. Or that's you? Okay. Oh, okay. I'm like, okay, whatever, wherever, however. Alrighty. Bye.
And at times we were on public assistance, and a lot of us were smushed together in an apartment when I was growing up, about 7 of us in a 3-bedroom at some times. And the reason why I share that is because there was a lot of love, not a lot of resources, and I was raised by kind of a community of many women and one man, my grandfather. And so that has fingerprints translating form.
Phone disconnected.
Being like I was, where I was the one figuring out the doctor's visits and speaking to the doctors and doing the emotional connecting of making sure my grandfather was kind to my grandmother and putting his arm around her, and all of this kind of jockeying for a child creates people-pleasing as an adult, can create hypervigilance as an adult. It has also a lot of echoes in the way we learn to relate to people, because when you're parentified, that means that to keep the sanity and the calmness and the balance in your home, you go to the back seat. Your experience, needs, all of that goes to the back seat. So you're learning very early on to shove your own experience down. And again, that doesn't just go with being the oldest child.
Yeah.
And so let's name those things, because you can't heal from that which you don't name.
We also heard in that message that it's not just about the responsibility, right? It's not just about the paying bills or interpreting for your parents. There's a cultural tension as well. And in reading your book, you go through